mana priest na-afụ kịta ebe a bụ DJ ka ọ na-alụ na Portugal. Do you understand me? According to them, asị na o ji eme agada youth mana mma emega ala enu ife okwuru ebe a. You understand? Akwa a Reverend Father, priest of Roman Catholic Church. Do you understand me? Mana anu ife okwuru ebe a.
It's not music to play inside of the church. It's not music for the mass. It's music to bring the church outside of the church. When we go to some party, it doesn't matter what is the electronic music, if it's house.
Now, when you leave folk, what's saying that no music and a church, no music and outside. But let us continue.
If it's house, if it's techno, you feel that everyone are in the same journey. Everyone are respecting each other, doesn't care about religion, about the clothes, about you feel this on the dance floor, this amazing energy, even without a message of faith, is a powerful message of respect, of tolerance.
And even if without message of faith, that is a message of tolerance, to tolerate to one another. It's not all about religion. No longer any Bible can it's Holy Ghost fire. But let us continue.
And if we can dance together on dance floor, why we cannot dance together outside?
If we can dance together and dancing floor, why can't we dance together outside? Do you not get the point?
Comfortable what I'm doing, please pray for me. It's free.
That if you don't feel comfortable with what he is doing, keep a belly. Do you understand me? He have a Reverend Father from Roman Catholic, but
it's a free world. It needs to be free. Not all needs to like what I'm doing, you know, but they need to respect.
The religion and the music always were connected.
When you live in this video, na Bible, it on enu ime njọ, ịtọnụ na ime njọ, ị na-anya n'aka ekpe imele njọ, ị na-anya n'aka nni imele njọ, ise siga ijere imele njọ, ịṅụrụ mmanya imele njọ, inwe enyi nwaanyị nwe enyi nwoke imele njọ. Do you understand? Ndị a bụ ndị wetara mụ na gị na-abụ chọọchị. Agwa nke datị na ịpụta apụta ifu na ife ahụ na-eme na be ya just wasting your time. Nwanne ife a niile fụ mụ na gị na-abụ na-eme gwụ n'ụwa ka obere. Nwere ebe bụ ebe ọ bụla a na-eje anywhere. Do you understand me? As well as my Bible that na he who does not love does not know God. As well as if I need a practice na by love analog n'ime onwere ife ịma ya na-akọ. Do you understand na? Imagine go ebe Reverend Father Mbaka na-eme ụdị ife. Imagine go ebe ebube mmụọ nsọ na-emeketa ụdị ife a kịta.